bubble and cosmic G. One thing we need to learn to do as parents, teachers, role models is to learn to regulate our nervous system. It's not to react all the time, it's to respond. And don't be so quick to correct, but connect. There's a lesson in everything. There's no mistakes, only lessons. You see me? I see a lot of people in all walks of my life where I've been. Adults projecting and blaming and pointing at children, especially. And it's not on. The problem is with their reaction to it, not what the child or someone done, but it's your reaction to it. You create that story. That's where your suffering comes from. So don't be a craft.